must be applying to different colleges right now. So in case you have not been able to get through NIFT or NIDs or UC, please don't lose heart. If you don't want to miss out on a year, you can always go for the other design colleges. Other good colleges as in terms of rating like UID, UPES, MIT, WUD, Sonepal. These are a few colleges which will be really good for your design career. Please remember that these colleges have multiple cycles in terms of their examination. You have to go through the written examination, and also interview and portfolio is required. So it is advisable to all the design students to always keep a portfolio handy. A portfolio is a window to your creativity and what exactly your design concepts are all about. Have a nice cover page. The first page could be an introduction, and put around 8 to 9 of your best work, and see to it that they have some sort of relevance. You need to be able to speak about and explain as in why you have put a certain artwork in your portfolio. Also remember, it is not just limited to your sketching, but it's like photography. If you have won some awards in your school, you can always put those things, the printouts of those images or certificates in your portfolio. This gives a very good chance for your interview panelists to talk about it and to know more in terms of what sort of a student or a person you are. I hope I am clear on this. In case you have more queries, feel free to call us, and don't forget to download our app KP Classes Exam Prep.